Hello everyone, I'm Dr.A.G.Mythili, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce with Finance, Dr. SNS College of Arts and Science. In this video, I'm going to speak about business meetings. So what is a meeting? A meeting is an event in which group of people come together to discuss things or make decisions. Meeting is a formal deliberative assembly of individuals called to debate certain issues and problems and to take decisions. Formal meetings are held at definite times at a definite place and usually for a definite duration to follow an agreed upon agenda. In a corporate setting, they are divided into two main groups: organizational meeting, operational meeting. So, what is organizational meeting? Normally, a regular meeting involving stakeholders, that is, shareholders and management, such as board meeting and annual general meeting. Operational meeting, regular and adheres meeting involving management and employees, such as committee meeting, planning meeting, and sales meeting, etc. So, importance of meeting: conflicts are resolved. Problems and issues are always evident within the team, and they can be negatively affect the way employees do their daily tasks. Properly managed meeting can be a venue for team members to share their side of story. Once a resolution is reached, employees can apply it to other similar situations to avoid repeating the problem. Better decisions are made. A good leader realizes the employee should be included in decision making process. A major decisions will not work unless company's member understand why it is being made. Through meetings, members can ask about issues concerning the change. Team members realize their importance. Project goals are always discussed in meetings. As a team leader, you can explain to your team member how their tasks contribute to the overall goal. When tasks and goals are clear, employees are more motivated to work because they realize their importance in the company. Time, effort, and money are well spent. Decisions are made faster and employees are of most engaged in the work. Important company resources are put in good use. You don't have to conduct more meetings just to resolve an issue or re-explain project goals. Managers can help direct your team to the right goal by conducting effective and clear meetings. Set them up in conductive areas like those offered by business centers. Strategies to conduct effective meetings. So, for conducting the effective meetings, you have to follow this. Send out the last meeting minutes 1 week before the next meeting. Send out the agenda for the current meeting at last one week in advance. Send out reminders for the meeting 1 day before the date of the meeting. Schedule the meeting on an Outlook at a similar program so that receives a reminder. Start and end meeting on time. Make sure the participants know their role and requirement and prior to the meeting. Make sure all the participants know one another before discussion start. Formal communication styles and reference to the agenda can help reinforce in the time frame and sales. Follow Robert's rule of order when applicable, or at least be familiar with them. Make sure note that the meetings are legible and can be converted to minutes for distribution later. Keep the discussion on track. If you are on chair or lead a meeting, don't hesitate to resist a point to redirect the attention back to the next agenda point. If you are the chair, draw a clear distinction between on-topic discussion and those that are most personal, individual, or off topic. Communicate your respect and appreciate for everyone's time and effort. Clearly communicate the time, date, and location of meeting, contract for the next meeting. Preconditions of a valid meeting. A valid meeting should have the following elements: legal objectivity. Any meeting must have legal objectivity. Meeting on illegal or unethical purpose cannot be valid on the eyes of law. Convinced by more proper authority. A valid meeting should be convinced by the proper authority of the company. Serving people notice in proper time. Notice of the meeting must be served timely by maintaining rules and regulations of the Companies Act. Presence of authorized persons. To make a meeting valid, people who is entitled to present in a particular type of meeting should be present at the meeting. Presided over by the chairman. A valid meeting should be presided over by the chairman, who will be selected by the members. Specific agenda. A detailed meeting should be prepared before the meeting, and the meeting should be operated by the following agenda. Quorum. Quorum is the minimum number of persons must be present in the meeting to make it valid. So advantages of meetings. Democratic process. Meeting is a democratic process of taking decisions. None can blame other for the decisions because it takes in the presence of the meeting of all the members. Improved decisions. And then participative management helps in coordination, convey information to a large gathering and others, provide necessary information to a group of people, report on some incidents or activities, create involve of interest and formulate policies. There are some disadvantages of meeting also. It is time consuming, so costly. Formalities, there are a lot of formalities to conduct a meeting, that you have to prepare an agenda, minutes, regulations are needed for a valid meeting. So it is difficulty to control. Sometimes it becomes very difficult for the speaker or a chairman to control over the meeting because proverb saves many mind. Thank you.